Hello everyone. So today I will show you that how you can detect a face from an image as well as face from the video from the webcam. Okay. So first of all, I will show you how to detect face from image. Okay. So first you need to import the library. This is a CV2. Actually, it's OpenCV and OpenCV the Python library. So which is used for the image processing and detecting the face and the processing for the images. So then you need to import the library which is OpenCV CV2. We call it CV2. If you have not installed OpenCV, you must install pip install OpenCV, and then you can import the CV2. After that, you need to load the cascade. This is a hard cascade classifier actually for the face. Okay, so this is the XML file, and you can get this XML file by using. You can type on Google that how to hard cascade a simplifier and Kaggle. Okay, so if you search this, you will get the hard cascade classifier for face detection, for eye detection you want. So this is a hard cascade classifier XML file, and you can click on this and you can download from the Kaggle the hard cascade XML file, and then you need to place that hard cascade file in your own the same folder which you are writing the code like Python. For if you are writing a code, this code so must put this file means you need to give the path of this file. If you are this is not in your same folder, you must put like a desk. If you are on desktop, you must give the same path for the desktop like this. If I am doing something, I'm showing you like this, you can see. If I have like this path, you can give this path. If you have a file on desktop and Python work folder, but I have not the file is on desktop, so that's why I'm just giving the path is the direct path. Okay. So after that, you need to read the image. Okay. So I have an image test.jpg. Okay, then you need to convert that image in grayscale because your image is RGB format. RGB is actually three channel format. RGB means red, G means green, blue. Okay, so RGB format you need to convert to grayscale format. It's easier for computer to read the grayscale images quickly. Okay, after that, gray is equal to CV2.cv color means we are converting the image into grayscale. Okay, so and then detecting the face, this actually hard cascade classifier for the face will perform most of the work for the detect multi-scale gray. If we have two images in a one photo, so it will detect two faces. If we have a one face in image, so it will detect one face. Okay, and we want to draw rectangle. If you detect the face and draw rectangle, okay, circle rectangle, what you want. So I want rectangle around the faces. Okay, so this will draw a rectangle on the faces. If I have one face, so it will draw one rectangle on the face. If I have more than one faces, so the code will draw more than one rectangle if the face is more than one. Okay, and then I'm running this code. This I'm show that mean I want to show my image under my board, and this is the actual image, and this is the name of the window. Okay, and this is the wet key. So I'm running this code, and I found error. So what is the error? Is actually if I run this, so it's error, and actually I need a space, more space, so I have to do this. So you can see now I could run, I run the code, and you can find the this window that is showing the image. I have two image. It's in an image. It's a two faces, so it's a two rectangle and the images. Okay. So I just detect the faces from the image. Okay, so now I want to detect faces from the video. So how I can detect the faces from the video? It's I detect the faces from the image. Okay, so now how you can detect the faces from the video? So it's a very simple video or live webcam video. Okay, so this is the same the code for the detection from the video. So similarly, you need to import the CV2 hard cascade classifier, and just you need to give the path. Capture video from webcam. If you are using webcam, so just you need to capture is equal to cv2 dot video capture. Just this one line code you need to write. Okay, if you want to detect the face from the not live video, just video. So just use a cap is equal to cv2 dot video capture, and just put the name of that video like file name dot mp4. Okay, so if you have any video in your computer, in your PC, and you want to detect face from that video, that particular video, so just put that particular file name here. Okay, otherwise you can get the video from the live webcam. So we are not using the video from the PC, just we are capturing the video from the webcam, and we will check how we can detect the face from the live video cam. Okay, so that's why we use the while loop. Actually, while is a true, so means it's a frame, so means it will continue frame because I'm not using the one image, so that's why I need more frames and every time. So that's why I'm using the while loop, while true. So image is equal to capture dot read. This video will be read by this, like image I am read is in previous code I show you the cv2 dot I am read. I read the image, but now from here I am reading the frames. Okay, so reading the frames or reading the images frames. Okay, from the video. Video is not nothing, is actually it's a combination of frames. Okay, pixels. So that's why I used the while loop to continue frame again and again. Okay, so similarly we need to convert that video in a grayscale, the frame in grayscale, and then detect the faces from the, if I have more than one faces, then that's why we will need multi-scale, detect multi-scale faces from the video. Okay, so CV2 I'm show, and this will show us the webcam, live webcam, and show us and will detect the faces from the live webcam. Okay, so this code I written this code because if I want to get cv2 dot wait key one or ODQ. Okay, ordinate queue, that means if I want to close the video, so it will actually, it's while queue, so it will not close automatically. We have to close, okay, for 30 seconds, for 60 seconds, or maybe I want to close on any button. So that's why I will press Q. Okay, I will press Q, then it will be closed. Capture will be released, and it will show all the windows. Okay, so now I'm running this code, and you will see that we will check the video and it detect the faces. Okay, so I run the code, and I'm showing you that you can see uh, detecting my face. Okay, so it will not be closed automatically. Okay, so I can even show you on the mobile. You can see from the mobile it's showing two faces at a time. Okay, so I'm also showing you like this. Maybe I have an image with I have more than two, so you can see uh, detecting the video, the photo is small, that's why it's not detecting properly. You can see the detecting the faces actually. uh, okay, so you can check from this, detecting the faces, that how many faces we have. Okay, so it's a little bit slow. Okay, so hope you got my point, that how you can detect. If I click on this cross, it will not be closed, it will be open automatically. Okay, because it will not be closed. It's I need to put I need to click on the Q button, as I show you in the code, that if I not click on the Q button, it will be window will be open until I need to until I press the Q button. Okay, so I'm pressing the Q button now, and it will be closed now. Okay, so this is the code for the video as well as image. So I have explained in this video how to detect the faces from the image, multiple faces from one image, as well as you can detect the faces from the video as well. Okay, and in the next video I will explain you how to detect the emotions from the faces from the live video, from the images, and how you can use the model, how you can create a model. You can use TensorFlow as well as deep learning model. So I will explain you some multiple ways to detect the emotions. Okay, so see you in next video. See you soon. Thank you.